Look at this store. It looks nice.
Yes, it has many clothes.
I want to buy a new shirt today.
Good idea. Do you know your size?
I usually wear medium.
Perfect. Let's go inside.
Okay, I'm excited to see the clothes.
Me too. I like shopping here.
Do they have many colors?
Yes, you can choose your favorite.
I hope I find something I like.
I'm sure you will.
The shop looks bright and clean.
Yes, it's very organized.
Where should we start?
Maybe with the shirts. They are over there.
Perfect. Let's go.
Do you like casual or formal shirts?
I need casual for now.
Good. These shirts are perfect for casual wear.
I like the material. It looks soft.
Yes, very comfortable.
How about the colors?
There are blue, red, green, and white.
I like blue the most.
Then you should try one in blue.
Okay, I'll pick this one.
That looks nice.
I hope it fits.
You can check the size label.
Yes, it's medium.
Perfect.
Let's see if there are other styles too.
Sure, let's look at the jackets as well.
Jackets? Today I just want a shirt.
Okay, we can focus on shirts first.
Yes, I like that idea.
Shall we go to the next rack?
Yes, I want to see more options.
There are some nice colors over there.
I see a light blue one. It looks nice.
That one would suit you very well.
Let's check it out.
Good, then we can decide which one to try first.
Okay, let's go. Wow, there are so many shirts here.
Yes, the shop is very organized.
I like this blue one.
That color is perfect for you.
And the material feels soft.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
Should I try this one first?
Yes, try it and see how it fits.
Okay, I'll pick this one.
Good choice.
What about this red shirt?
That one is bright and stylish.
I like it too. Maybe I can try both.
That's a good idea.
The sleeves are long enough.
Yes, it fits well.
How do I look in this blue shirt?
It looks great. The color suits your skin tone.
I think I need a mirror to see better.
There is one near the changing room.
Thank you. I will check it now.
Take your time.
The blue shirt feels very comfortable.
Yes, it looks natural on you.
And the red one?
It is brighter, but also nice.
I want to see how it looks in the mirror.
Let's go together and check.
I hope it's not too tight.
I think it fits well.
Okay, I'll try both to compare.
That's the best way to decide.
The store is really bright and clean.
Yes, the lighting helps to see the colors clearly.
I feel excited to try clothes here.
I'm glad. Shopping should be fun.
Yes, I like this environment.
Are you ready to start trying the shirts?
Yes, let's go to the changing room.
Follow me. It's right this way.
I'm going to try the blue shirt first.
Take your time. I'll wait here.
It feels soft on my skin.
That's good. Comfort is important.
I hope the size is right.
It looks medium, so it should fit.
Okay, I'll see in the mirror.
Sure. The mirrors here are big.
The sleeves are perfect.
Yes, they are the right length.
The color is calm and nice.
It suits you well.
Should I try the red shirt too?
Yes, you can compare both colors.
The red one feels bright.
It looks cheerful.
I want to see it on me in the mirror.
Go ahead. You can decide which one you like more.
The red is a bit tight on the shoulders.
Then the blue might be more comfortable.
Yes, I think you're right.
How does it feel when you move your arms?
It's easy to move in the blue one.
That's important. You don't want a shirt that is too tight.
The red one looks good, but comfort matters more.
I agree.
I'll take the blue shirt today.
Perfect choice.
Thank you for helping me.
Anytime. I like helping friends.
I feel confident in this one.
You should. It looks very nice.
Now I can go pay for it.
The cashier's over there.
Okay, I'll go.
I'll come with you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Shopping is fun when someone helps.
Yes, it makes it easier and enjoyable.
I'm happy I chose this shirt.
Me too. You look great.
I like the blue shirt.
It looks very nice on you.
The red one is bright, but I think the blue is better.
Yes, the blue is more natural.
It feels more comfortable, too.
That's important. Comfort matters a lot.
The red one could be for special occasions.
That's a good idea.
Do you think I made the right choice?
Absolutely. The blue shirt suits you perfectly.
I like it when clothes feel right.
Yes, feeling good in your clothes is important.
I want to buy it now.
Let's go to the cashier.
Okay, I'm ready.
Do you need a bag for it?
Yes, please.
I'll wait here while you pay.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
The cashier seems friendly.
Yes, the staff here are always polite.
I feel happy buying this shirt.
Me too. You look very pleased.
Shopping is easier with someone giving advice.
That's true. It helps to have a friend.
I'll wear this shirt tomorrow.
That sounds great.
Maybe I can try the red one another day.
Yes, we can come back for it.
I like this store.
Me too. They have many good options.
I feel confident about my choice.
You should. It's perfect.
I'm glad I asked for your opinion.
I'm happy to help.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Thank you for shopping with me.
Anytime. It was fun.
I think I'll come here more often.
That's a good plan.
I think I'm ready to buy the blue shirt now.
That's great. Let's go to the counter.
I'm a little nervous about paying.
Don't worry. It will be quick.
Okay. I hope it goes smoothly.
I'm sure it will.
The shirt feels really good in my hands.
Yes, it looks perfect.
I like the color more and more.
It really suits you.
I'm glad I chose this one.
I'm happy too.
I hope there aren't any problems at the counter.
Everything should be fine.
Should I check the receipt carefully?
Yes, it's always good to check.
Okay, I will.
You can hold the bag while I wait.
Sure, thank you.
Do you want to carry it or should I?
I can carry it. It's not heavy.
Perfect.
I'm happy I came shopping with you.
Me too. It makes shopping more fun.
I like having someone to help me choose.
It's easier when we decide together.
Next time we could look for pants.
Sounds like a good plan.
Or maybe a jacket.
Yes, we can see jackets next time.
I feel confident about this purchase.
You should. It's perfect for you.
I'm glad we came today.
Me too. It was a good day.
I hope the store has more colors next time.
I'm sure they do.
I like shopping in this neighborhood.
It's convenient and quiet here.
I feel ready to try new styles soon.
Yes, we can explore more options later.
Thank you for helping me today.
Anytime. I enjoyed it too.
Let's go home now.
Sure, let's go.
I can't wait to wear this shirt.
I'm sure it will look amazing.
See you soon for our next shopping trip.
Definitely.
Look, I'm wearing the blue shirt now.
It looks great on you.
I feel really comfortable in it.
I can see that.
I'm glad I bought it.
You made a perfect choice.
Do you like how it fits?
Yes, it fits very well.
The color is exactly what I wanted.
It really suits you.
I think I'll wear it tomorrow.
You should. It will look amazing.
I wonder if I should try other colors too.
That could be fun.
Maybe a green or a red one next time.
Yes, we can go shopping again soon.
I feel confident in this shirt.
You look confident too.
I like the style of it.
Yes, it's simple but stylish.
Do you think it matches my jeans?
Definitely. It's a good combination.
I'm happy I listened to your advice.
I'm glad I could help.
Next time we can look for pants.
Or a jacket.
I want to see more stores in the neighborhood.
We can explore them together.
I feel ready for more shopping trips.
That's the spirit.
I think I'll try wearing this shirt for work.
It's perfect for that.
Or I can wear it when I meet friends.
Yes, it's versatile.
I'm happy with my purchase.
You should be. It looks excellent.
Thank you for helping me choose.
Anytime.
Let's plan the next shopping day soon.
Absolutely.
I'm excited for it.
Me too.
I feel ready for more styles and colors.
That's perfect. We'll find some new options.
I'm glad we did this together.
Me too. It was fun.